Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm excited to share with you a sneak peek of my latest project, the BuddyCode Blender add-on. This add-on is designed to streamline your interaction with a variety of open-source local large language models, including Mistral, Gemini and more. In this uncut showcase, you'll see the latest version in action. Previously, the output was confined to a label, but now, I've upgraded it so that you can conveniently view the output directly within the text editor. Keep in mind, this is still a work in progress, so I'd love to hear your thoughts and comments below. Check out the output of this little personal AI. The possibilities are endless, and I'd like to invite you to explore my website linked below to download a free copy of the add-on. If you find it valuable, consider upgrading to the paid version. I'm fully committed to making this product excellent, and your support will be instrumental in achieving that goal. By purchasing the add-on and showing your support through likes and subscriptions, you're helping me build something truly exceptional that can benefit others as well. Thank you for considering it.